Hey everybody, my name is Tom with Priemer Concrete Coatings. We apply epoxy coatings for residential and commercial applications. One of the things I get a lot of questions about is how do you keep dust down? How do you control the dust? And it's really a hazard, and it's honestly, the dust is not good for your health. OSHA has a lot of regulations on dust and debris for concrete cutting. One of the things that we bring in every home on every project is this nice triple filtered Hepa filtered vacuum. So there's 3 Hepas in here. What this is designed to do is it hooks up to one of our larger grinders over here or any of our handheld tools, and it captures all of the dust, allowing for a dust-free environment. I don't normally make a mess, but I wanted to show how well it vacuums up. So we have a little bit of dust here. Where this came from was from one of these bags underneath. It allows us to properly dispose of the dust that comes from your home or your business back to the landfill. Easy to carry out. The bags are nice and thick milled, so that way you don't get any puncture holes and spill everything anywhere. I'm gonna just pour some out here. Just want to show you the power this vacuum has. All the vacuums that we use have approximately 225 CFM, so they're pretty powerful. We wear masks on the project because it's something that we're exposed to every day, but honestly, according to OSHA regulations, it's not necessary with the rest equipment that we carry. So I'm going to turn this on. It's going to be really loud. Need ear protection generally, but since it's just a demonstration, we'll see. There you have it. Very powerful vacuum. Normally wouldn't be on my hands and knees doing it with just a 2-inch hose. We normally have a floor wand that we use to help vacuum things up. But it's a very reliable vacuum. We carry about 6 of them in stock, so for any residential or commercial project that may arise, if one breaks down, we fix them here at the shop, or we have a backup one, so we can always make sure that we get your project done right and on